How to draw a foam finger. To begin, we're going to draw 3 sides of a rectangle. We're going to draw the left side, the bottom side, and the right side. This is the bottom part of the foam finger. Then we're going to draw the left side of the hand. This will be a big curved line. Next, we are going to draw the knuckles of our hand. We're going to start at the top of the curved line we just drew, and we're going to draw 3 more curved lines going across. These ones will be much smaller though. Looking great to learn how to draw, Hub Crew. Now we're going to draw the big pointer finger pointing straight upwards. For the next step of drawing our foam finger, we're going to draw the right side of the hand. Wow, looks awesome! Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our drawings together. Now we're going to go ahead and outline the bottom part of our hand. Next, we're going to draw the thumb of our foam hand. Next, we're going to outline the pointer finger that's sticking straight up. Now on top of and to the left of the thumb, we're going to draw 3 ovals for the knuckles. Now for the last step, we're going to draw a number 1. We're going to draw a bubble letter 1, and then to the left of that, we're going to draw a number symbol. This is how to draw the foam finger. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then make sure to subscribe. Let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.